Asshole! Watch where you're going! What a dick! What a dick! Probably a stolen Mercedes, the way that guy's driving. Asshole! Damn, use your turn signals! Jeez, these people. Cut me off, asshole!
The conversation. It's never a week.
Asshole! Stupid Tesla! Asshole! Watch where you're going! That individual was not looking in their blind spot and almost clipped me.
Suggestion of anything wrong, and then of course,
What the heck is this? Crossing a carpool lane? Just, oh my gosh, I'm speechless. Box trucks are not allowed to be in the fast lane, let alone in a carpool lane in California. Jeez, these people are idiots. Man, what a public nut. Asshole! What a stupid individual. These Teslas, my gosh. Every single Tesla driver that we know drive insanely crazy. Man. Asshole! Stupid man driving a Ranger without using your turn signals. Here we go again, not using her turn signals. What a piece of shit. What a loss for a human. heck? You don't use your turn signal at the last minute like that. Jeez. What an idiot, going in and out of traffic like that. Stupid Mercedes. Public not texting while driving.